Welcome to the channel. Before joining Decentralized Masters, I lost 30K buying crypto on Coinbase. 3 months later, I've recovered everything and added 50K profit. Here's the honest truth about whether it's worth your money. I'm not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. Let's get into it. All right, guys, get ready to master the new financial system. And I'm super excited for this. We're going to jump in. This is Decentralized Masters. You may have never seen anything like this, but if you want to understand DeFi, this is the place to be. Before we jump in, I'm not a financial advisor. Please do your own research, due diligence, and don't invest in anything you're not willing to lose. All right, so why jump into this? As we can see, everybody is super excited for this DeFi education. Now, a lot of people don't know what DeFi is or crypto. DeFi simply stands for decentralized finance, as opposed to traditional finance, going to banks, getting loans, interest. This takes the equation of the third person out. There is no middleman. So you just interact with the market. It gives you access to markets 99.98%. Most people don't know exists. You get a personal mentor with 500 plus hours alone, potential for 100 to 1000x gains. Now, this is speculative, but it's possible to do those gains on 2 to 3x on Coinbase. You get knowledge that lasts past one bull run. See, a lot of people just look for the next big meme coin, the next best thing. But that doesn't always actually work. And unfortunately, sometimes it's just a quick pump. And if you don't make money, then it doesn't work. Now, who's it good for? You just started buying on Coinbase or Robinhood, and you're thinking you're too late. You want financial independence. You've missed the previous bull runs, and you just want to get ahead. Beginners who want professional guidance, this is ideal for. And you want to take a look at this as investment versus potential. And we can see real world actual reviews. This is the gold standard of DeFi education. Decentralized Masters didn't just teach me DeFi. They were a newbie in crypto. So this is really, really exciting. These are people who want to actually get ahead, and they have. Plus, you want time saved figuring it out. As you can see, the best financial decision I've ever made, see the future now more clearly, and you just can't put a price tag on it. And you really can't, because would you rather spend years trying to understand the market or just figure it out? Avoid those losses, avoid those issues, and get professional risk management and institutional grade help. So we can see here, there's video testimonials from people here, and these people have done quite well. This is very, very exciting to see that. Also, one thing to keep in mind is that some of these people, they're not all professional traders. He learned how to grow his money with zero guesswork. Start getting better on returns. These are not people who are mastering the financial market right here. They got the education. And in 2025, the biggest bull run with institutional adoptions here, and regulations are coming that will lock out retail. Native market advantages are disappearing soon, so early members get the best positioning right here. That's not enough. Trustpilot does speak for it. We can see founders here, Tangera as a rising star in finance, and Salim Ila, a visionary serial entrepreneur, along with their amazing executive team members, analysis, membership, associates. Guys, I'm just going to say this right here. I know you have questions. Definitely check out the Q&A here. Check out the information. Follow them on social media. Here's some questions, but you might be asking, okay, is this for me? This is not for someone who's just looking to get rich overnight. That doesn't exist. But if you want good community value, if you want to go beyond just typical education that you find on YouTube, Tangera, the founder, has a track record of calling bottom tops. And you have to ask yourself, okay, what if this doesn't work for me? Do you want to say, okay, well, I'm just going to go with everyone else. And, I'm not sure if crypto is going to work for me. I don't know if I have enough time. I need to wait till the market gets better. The alternative to me is staying poor or making mistakes and failing in the system or getting professional help. You can do that right here on Decentralized Masters, as well as follow them on all their social media. Be sure to read their reviews and be sure to take a look at their videos as well. You could be the next success story here. But if you're tired of buying tops on Coinbase and watching institutions scoop up the real gains, Decentralized Masters shows you how to flip the script with mentorship, insider market access with the right timing. And this could be your shot to finally win in crypto. So check out the links below this video to learn more. Now, If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell to know when I post more videos. Questions or comments, let me know down below. Thanks for watching. Catch you over the next one.